Hello guys, today we are talking about how to use After Retouch in PicsArt. This may be your first time using PicsArt and you don't know how to do it. Today we're going to show you this. There is a tool in PicsArt that automatically removes all the imperfections in portraits. To do this, press the Create button, select the photo, and down on the toolbar press Retouch. When after and we see how the girl has removed all the defects on her face. The intensity of this effect can be adjusted with the slider down. If we were wondering how to use After Retouch in PicsArt, this is the easiest way now. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye!